The Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website is a convenient and secure way for providers and clients to submit claims and access claims information quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial video, we will discuss how to correct or request a reversal of a claim for providers and clients. Please note that at this time, you cannot request a correction or reversal of a previously paid claim through your NIHB web account. Let's begin. First, we will review how providers and clients can correct or request a reversal of a claim through a claims statement. To learn how to access your claim statements online, please watch the tutorial video, How to Read Your Claim Statements. Providers and clients can identify the claim that requires a correction or reversal through their claim statement. A correction means that the claim will be reprocessed with the correct information, and a reversal means the claim will be reversed as it was in error. Corrections can include an incorrect date of service. Reversals can include an incorrect service, item, or procedure code. To request a correction, cross off the incorrect information on the claim statement and add the correct information. Include a note stating the reason for the correction. To request a reversal, cross off the information that you want reversed on the claim statement and include a note stating the reason for the reversal. Once complete, please mail or fax the updated claim statement to Express Scripts Canada. You can find the fax number or mailing address by clicking the Contact Us button in the top menu bar and scrolling down to the Express Scripts Canada NIHB contact information. Once Express Scripts Canada receives a request for a correction or reversal, it will be reviewed and the claim will be reprocessed. You will see the correction or reversal on an upcoming claim statement, or you can view your claims history by logging into your NIHB web account. Please ensure the request for a correction or reversal is submitted within 1 year from the date of service. If the correction or reversal request is submitted after 1 year from the date of service, an R21 period for submitting claims has expired message will appear for the reprocessed claim. If you are a client and have further questions on how to correct or request a reversal, contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada at 1-888-441-4777. If you are a provider, contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada at 1-888-511-4666. Now, we will review how providers can request a correction or reversal of a claim through their point-of-sale software. If you are a dental provider, you can use your point-of-sale software to complete a claim reversal. A dental claim may only be reversed using your EDI software on the same day that it was submitted. Claims that require reversals that are more than 1 day after the original submission must be submitted manually using a claim form or a copy of the dental claim statement. To reverse a claim using your EDI software, the provider must follow the instructions provided by the dental software vendor. When a claim reversal is submitted, an electronic claim reversal response is sent to the provider. If the reversal is accepted, the system will reverse the original claim and it will not appear on the dental claim statement. If the reversal is returned, the provider must correct the errors and resubmit the claim reversal. If you are a pharmacy provider, you can use your point-of-sale software to either correct a previously paid claim or totally reverse or cancel a previously submitted claim. There are 2 types of provider claim reversals: same day and prior day, up to 30 days reversals. To reverse a claim, follow the instructions provided by your point-of-sale software vendor. Claims that require a reversal more than 30 days after the original submission must be submitted manually using the pharmacy claim form or on a copy of the pharmacy claim statement up to 1 year from the original date of service. With each reversal request, include a note stating the reason for the reversal. Now, we will review how providers can request a correction or reversal using a claim form. Using your previously submitted claim form, please indicate on the claim form what information requires a correction or a reversal. To request a correction, cross off the incorrect information on the claim form and add the correct information. Include a note stating the reason for the correction. To request a reversal, cross off the information that you want reversed on the claim form and include a note stating the reason for the reversal. The NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada is available to help. The contact details for the Non-Insured Health Benefits call center at Express Scripts Canada is found on our website. Simply navigate to the Quick Links section at the bottom of the webpage and select Contact Us. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.